January 24, 1978, Northwest Territories, Canada. A foreign satellite carrying radioactive material broke apart over northern Canada, and most of it was never recovered. A Soviet spy satellite named Cosmos 954 was falling out of orbit. And it wasn't just any satellite. It had a nuclear reactor on board, fueled by uranium-235. The Soviets knew it was coming down. So did the Americans. So did the Canadians. But nobody could stop it. At 6:53 a.m., Cosmos 954 broke apart over northern Canada. Burning chunks of radioactive debris rained down across 124,000 square kilometers, roughly the size of Pennsylvania. Pieces landed in frozen lakes, in forests, in communities where people lived. The Canadian government scrambled. They launched Operation Morning Light, a massive search and recovery mission involving 120 personnel, helicopters, and radiation detectors. They scoured the wilderness for months, and they found 0.1% of the satellite. That's it. 65 pieces of debris, most of them highly radioactive. But here's the problem. The satellite weighed 4,000 kilograms. They recovered less than 20 kilograms. So where's the rest? Still out there, buried under snow, sunk in lakes, scattered across the tundra. And because it's radioactive, it's dangerous for thousands of years. The Canadian government told the public they had it under control. Don't worry, we're monitoring the area, no health risks. But decades later, scientists found elevated radiation levels in caribou, in fish, in the soil. People who lived in the region, indigenous communities especially, reported higher cancer rates. The Soviets? They paid Canada $3 million for cleanup costs. $3 million. For poisoning an area the size of a small country. And then the USSR collapsed, and all the records disappeared. To this day, Canada has never released the full report. What they found, what they didn't find, what the long-term effects were. Because if they did, it would mean admitting they can't clean it up. That people are still living with radioactive debris in their backyard. And that's a problem no one wants to talk about. Governments bury the truth when the truth is expensive. I teach people how to find it anyway. Link in bio.